AMC stock has been absolutely crazy for the past few trading days. I think it's going to get even crazier when it breaks an important level that I'm going to cover. Close at $26.52 as of May 27th, 2021. Pre-market's going crazy. It's at $30 right now at the moment. Quick disclaimer before I begin, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. Everything I do share is just my opinion. It is not advice. So don't buy and sell based off the information I give you or the opinions I do form. Now, this is the absolute, this is the beauty of extremely shorted shares, because yeah, it does suck when it's being shorted because it gets dragged down. But when they have to cover, when hedge funds have to cover their shorted positions, it's almost like a domino effect where one covers and they bring the stock price up, triggering an event potentially for another hedge fund to panic, and then they cover as well and they bring the stock price up even higher, and so on and so forth. If we look at AMC stock right now at the moment, in terms of shorted percentage, it is at 21% as of May 14th, 2021. It actually increased because 2 weeks prior, as of April 30th, 2021, it was at roughly about $19 and 19.5%. So it's increasing overall. It's actually not decreasing. So they still have to cover, and that's absolutely awesome. Now, in terms of the important levels, the first level that needs to pass is the $30 price point, which we had issues before on May 27th, but right now pre-market it's just getting crushed, so that it's not going to be an issue at all. The next level is the $31.50. Now, $31.50 is a pretty major level, but it's going to be between the range of actually $31.50 to $33, and there's going to be turbulence at $32.50, $31.80, stuff like that, but mainly you want to pass between $31.50 to be somewhat stabilized a little bit, but mainly $33 overall. Then the next level is $34.50, but the ultimate level. So they're technically not the ultimate level yet, because I'm going to explain the ultimate level. So the first major level that you know you're in good shape, and the run-up's going to get even crazier hypothetically first before the major level, is $36. Because you can see right here, there's multiple times. This line's a little bit amateur, but there's a couple times it just got knocked down throughout in the past. So in like 2015, it got knocked down at $36. It did not hit $36. It was like 35 something cents. And then in 2016 as well, and 2017 twice, it got knocked down. So passing $36 is going to be quite significant, where I think the algorithms for the hedge funds are going to trigger their shorted positions to get covered at $36. But it would have to pass it for not just like a quick second. I think the algorithms might have something built in where it just might not panic at that point if they're extremely risky. Now, the level I think is going to be absolutely nuts if it passes is $40. Yes, it has never hit $40 in the past, but I think the algorithms for the hedge funds is going to trigger an event where if it hits $40, it's just going to start covering no matter what, because something's up, something's different, because that's how the algorithms work. If something's out of the norm, they will start to panic. Hypothetically, there's different conditions, but I think $40 would trigger that event. But if you wanted to be in a way conservative with numbers, $36 alone will trigger that event. So passing $36 is the key important factor in this situation, which I think it's going to probably happen, to be honest. So that's the thing. Now, if you are a little bit cautious and don't want to lose everything that you gained, you could probably have a stop loss at $20. But actually, I wouldn't even have a stop loss at $20, because if it comes down to $20, it might bounce back up at $20, like you saw right here, where it came down from $36 basically, well, not 36 but 35, comes down, bounces off $20 and goes back up to 36. You might even have an event like that. So to be honest, if you bought in the lows, in my opinion, just enjoy the ride at the moment, and then when you see it going down, you could probably make a decision off that. Again, this is all just my opinion, not advice. Do whatever you think is the best option for your finances, and that's basically it. So like always, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you liked the video. If you did like it, consider dropping a like. Helps out the channel. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you like videos like this or other financial videos that I may be posting, consider subscribing so be notified when I do upload those videos. And that's basically it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.